1, 2, 3. Whoa! Hey guys. All right, so what are we doing, guys, today? Who are you, first of all?
Well, we opened the box. Our mom tried to open the box, and this is treasure fingers.
Okay, open it up.
And that came with this in the box.
Yes, this is another toy from Moose Toys. That's right.
Toys, and this is a toy.
Now, Henry was ecstatic when he saw this.
Yeah, he was like.
Explain this to me, Henry. There's treasure in here.
So it's like a rock, and then you open it. You like break it open.
I watched a video
or
of
you can
people
put it in
opening
water.
these.
Oh yeah.
And I got a treasure chest from
Or you put it in water.
a real pie. Yeah,
You
we'll
put it
help.
over there.
All right. What's the next step? What does it look like when it's open?
It's like this, and then you need to take the sticker off.
But
Okay.
take the plastic off.
For easier digging, unwrap, running water.
All right, Henry. So we just took scissors,
Here's
and
the
we're
checklist.
starting to take the gold wrapper off. Let's
Mom.
see. Yeah.
Here's the checklist.
Loving the checklist.
And they also have a map on the other side and the checklist on the other side.
Awesome. Oh, Henry!
there's
Look
a
at Henry
coin
got
on
that
top.
gold off.
Cool.
Okay, so now what do we do after we do this?
Get the tools.
And you start digging?
Yep.
Yeah.
Start digging.
How long does the digging take?
I'm not sure. It says on the package for like easier digging, use water. I'm getting into it pretty easy.
Okay. Do you want me to put it under hot water?
Can I try?
Let Sissy try once.
I want to get it in. He won't let me.
He will. Come on, over here. Go
I'm just
dig.
going to take this off first.
Okay, you're
I
wrapping.
don't want to get-
All right, girlfriend, start digging. Oh, she got a little.
Oh, you're getting on your wrist.
Yes. Henry's
I need a
digging.
rubble on someone's wrist, but I'm putting it on my mom.
Oh,
Break.
you're making the camera all shaky, sis.
You know.
All right, Hennigan.
Let me scratch the top off.
I see it! I see it!
Wait, what was it?
I see it! I almost had him!
It's not chocolate?
It's one of these.
I'm gonna go back through the huge crack in the side.
So it's one of these.
Can I?
Wait, I'm gonna try to.
I want to try.
No fighting.
Can I try, Mom?
Hang on. Henry's digging.
We're opening it.
Henry's an archaeologist right now, digging.
It
Oh,
broke.
we got a big hunk. Oh.
I'm about to get it out.
I'm gonna get it
I
out.
got it sorted out.
Okay, let Sissy get in there a little
I
bit.
need this. Break right
Let
here.
Sissy get in there a little bit.
Break this
That's
part
it.
off.
That's it. Don't make a mess. Oh, Sissy, you're doing a great
shit,
digging.
Right here. Wait, give me it for a
Keep
second.
digging.
Look, use the drill side.
Drill. This one.
Yeah.
Good work. Good teamwork.
Cool. Look at all
All
these.
right.
Pull it out. Try to pull it out.
Any luck? Can you pull it?
Okay,
Can you break off another piece?
Okay.
Sis, you gotta give Henry a turn again.
Right here. Yep. Come on. Now it's my turn now.
Wait. Pull out.
It's my turn
Pull
now.
it. Pull it. Pull it.
Wait, no, it's not working.
Okay, let Henny have a turn.
Stop it, sis.
Let Henny have a turn, sis. Sis.
Got it.
Oh, she could pull it out?
I pulled it out.
What?
That piece was like stuck right there.
You got one piece.
Can I
Okay.
go wet this off?
Can you go wet it off?
Yeah.
Oh, Henry's getting more.
It's dirty.
No, I don't want it on me.
Watch this. Look at Mom. Mom,
Yeah,
look
baby.
at it. I just wet it.
Wow.
And I wet my hands off. Gotta be Mom.
What guy,
Gotta
honey?
be that one.
Oh, with the little harp type thing?
I think it's gonna be.
You're getting big chunks. Oh, mommy's yawning. Oh, Henry.
It could be that. It could be that guy. Can I?
Well, stop! I'm going.
Get it out. We're supposed to get it out. We're gonna get it out.
Oh.
I'm like sweating. Can I help? I want to have a turn.
We gotta take turns, right? You just had a big turn, Lou.
He's having a big turn. Watch. Look.
I saw.
I'm gonna go put water in.
Oh, no, 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 no. No, 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 no.
So I can bring it over and we can put water on it.
No, I don't want water in here.
I can't put water in it.
All right, what do you got now, Henry? Pull that piece out.
Got it.
Woo!
I'm gonna grab the scissors.
All right, Henny, what's in the treasure chest?
I don't know.
Oh,
It's
wait.
sand.
Wait, on the box.
watched
I
it.
saw this on the box. You have to put water in it and then it fizzes.
What?
So we should do this at the end. We should save
Yeah.
that for
Put
the end.
water in there.
No, not right now. Right? What'd you guys get?
Look, we got both of the legs.
Yeah.
Got the treasure
We got
chest.
the body. We got 2 arms.
Okay.
And we said
We
I
have
could
the
give
head,
these pieces even though they have nothing in
spear.
them.
Okay.
And let me check something. What do you do with the coin? You put the coin, I think, on. I'm not sure.
You put it on the fin?
I don't know. We'll try to figure
Well, you
it
got
out.
all the pieces,
Okay. let's start
right?
snapping
Just try to now
together.
assemble.
Can I put some? I'm gonna put something on.
All right, the youngest
We
McClellans.
got him.
Who did you get? You got this
That
guy,
guy.
the Golden Gills.
Yep, we got.
All right, Hen, let's see Golden Gills at the end.
This is him.
Oh, he's awesome.
Yeah, I put the legs. I put the legs on.
Henry did Victoria put the legs.
I put the legs on.
All right, go near Henny.
Okay, and now
We're gonna
going to
open the treasure
treasure
chest.
chest.
All right.
But we have to put water. We can put water in here.
There's this in the treasure chest.
What is
And
it? A scroll?
says- It says don't put the this.
Can we interrupt this program for like a fun song? I'm sorry.
So it says don't put this into there.
Okay.
And then it says put water in it instead.
All right, go get water, little.
Water on
All right, we're doing it in the bathroom. All right.
Let's do it. See what we get.
Ready?
Whoa.
I feel like
Is it gonna fit? Is it gonna like
oh,
fizzle up? What is it doing?
It's fizzing.
Oh, it fizzes.
I have the hiccups on my.
Oh, let me hear it. Listen.
Listen,
It's like a Halloween cauldron.
It sounds like a Coke bottle fizzing.
Did you guys love this?
Yeah.
Penny, did you enjoy
I
it?
think there might be something in the chest.
Yeah, there is.
What?
Wait, I see something in the chest.
Is it a
Yeah.
$10 or a coin?
No. What is that?
It's
Oh.
like Gatorade.
Yeah.
Is there anything in there?
There is.
What is it? Oh, you got a charm. Wow, the gifts that keep on giving. What a cool toy. You guys recommend this for other kids?
Yes,
Yes?
100%.